In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Gymshark coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Gymshark coupon code. Right here, go to this website which is called Voucher Codes. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that you can use to get some discounts. So for example, let's say you want to get this one with 10% discount of orders that are over 125 pounds. So all you need to do is just tap right here where it says get code. And this is a promo code right here. You can simply copy this promo code from this button right here. And you can use this one in order to get a 10% discount of your next order. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Voucher. And as you can see right here, we also have a list with some promo codes and deals that we can use. So let's say, for example, you want to get this one with extra 20% of Gymshark discount. So all you need to do is just select this button where it says get voucher. And right here, this is a promo code. You can simply tap right here to copy this promo code. And you can use this one at the checkout in order to get a 20% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.